Politics now. President Trump used social media today to claim without any evidence that U.S. elections are, quote, rigged. There's also news tonight about the 2020 election. CBS's Willie James Inman is in West Palm Beach, Florida, near the president's home with the latest developments. Willie James, good evening.
Jerika, good evening to you. Today, a federal judge ruled Department of Justice records related to the recent seizure of 2020 election ballots and documents from Fulton County, Georgia, must be unsealed by Tuesday.
This raid at an election hub 11 days ago, sparking new criticism from Democrats as the Trump administration zeroes in on voting in America.
The whole thing stinks to high heaven. And the fact is, Donald Trump cannot get over the fact that he lost Georgia in 2020, that he lost the election in 2020.
Last week, officials in Georgia also asked a federal court to order the FBI to return ballots and documents that were seized. Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard's attendance at the raid drawing questions from lawmakers.
I believe she has been totally inappropriate, showing up on a domestic criminal investigation in Georgia around voting machines.
The voting battle looms as President Trump has said he wants to take over elections from Democratic-run areas with the November midterms on the horizon.
If a state can't run an election, I think the people behind me should do something about it.
The White House claims the president is referring to the SAVE Act. Today, in a post on Truth Social, the president once again claimed America's elections are rigged and stolen, while calling on Republicans to pass the legislation. CBS News election and law contributor David Becker.
We're seeing disinformation being spread, in this case by the President of the United States, targeted at his own supporters, at others who might not like the outcome of elections, and unfortunately some are believing it.
The bill would implement photo ID requirements when voting. Americans would also need to provide proof of citizenship when registering to vote. It's already illegal for non-citizens to cast ballots in federal elections.
Now, the Constitution gives states the power to carry out elections, but Congress can make laws regulating the process. The SAVE Act has already passed in the House, but it faces an uphill battle, Jerika, in the Senate.
All right, Willie James, thanks so much.